Peace, family. It's your boy Tezlato, Big Tezlato. I'm checking in on this lovely afternoon. I want to say welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hey, it's the Grow Yours, Blow Yours crew. So, if you're new to growing, I did want to make sure I did this video. If you already grow, you pretty much know what's going on in this situation here. But for all my new growers out there, I want to get you more informed on everything that I'm using. So you'll know what to cop on Amazon and things like that when you're ready to get your growth. And people are in those states where you can grow. So whenever you get your water, before you mix the solution, you want to pH your water. Figure out where your pH is. Then mix up your solution. Figure out where your pH goes, because sometimes, well, more than likely it's going to adjust from where your base level was with your water. Then you're going to pH. What I do is I pH my water after mixing everything. I'll let the nutrients sit for like 15-20 minutes because it is a salt. I'm using the Mega Crop and it doesn't dissolve right away. So we'll let it sit for a little while and then I'll pH adjust it to get it in the right range. Basically what this is a base. This is potassium sorbate and phosphoric acid, an acid that you can use to raise and lower your pH. And that's pretty much it. This is a very important piece when you're growing because you got to have that pH in the right range. Specifically, we're using cocoa, so anywhere from that 5.8 to like, I think they say 5.5 to 6.5 range. Early in its life cycle, I'm guessing they say a higher pH, and then also later in flower cycle they prefer a higher pH as well. So I gotta read more about that, but correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Let me know in the comments. And if you use a different brand, because this is general hydroponics, let some of the people know what different brands that you use. And I've had these two bottles for a long time. A little goes a long way. So I started growing probably almost a year now, coming up on a year, and I've had this same pH solution since then, and it's basically full. So yeah. Anybody have anything to add? Comment in the comments below. If you have any questions, be sure to hit me up in the comments. Hit your boy up on Instagram at Tezlato, on Facebook at Tezlato. Got some big projects we're working on coming up in the next month, so stay on the lookout. If you follow my Instagram account, you're gonna see what's going on, but make sure you go and follow my Instagram account and tap in. I'm about to start a TikTok and everything as well. Just link up with me. We got some big things going on. Hey, blow smoke. Remember, guys, grow yours, blow yours. Y'all already know what it is. The Grow Yours, Blow Yours crew. Shout out, fam. It's your boy Tezlato, Big Tezlato. I'm signing out. Peace.